I would ride on your shoulders, look out on the world, pretending I was big and tall like you. And you were there to hold me, and never was afraid. You made me feel there's nothing I can't do. If I'd spread my wings to fly when I was very small, I know that you'd be standing by, catch me if I fall. You're my hero, chasing the monsters from my room, going on trips around the moon. The one who's always been there faithfully. You're my hero, because you're my dad. Twice as blessed and lucky to be. As I kept getting older, we often disagree, but you let me find myself in my own